Hey, what's going on, guys? Jason here with another video. I want to give you some inspiration, a little bit of motivation to help you keep going on this bodybuilding journey. Now, when I first started, I didn't really get a whole bunch of compliments and people asking me what kind of protein do I take and what's my workout routine, what's my split. But now, these days, dude, I get a compliment or I get somebody asking me one of these questions like every other day, even every day. And it's awesome, man. I love it. I love the cameras, the lights, the paparazzi. And you'll know what I mean when you get there. You know, when you look like a Greek god, people want to know who this guy is. You're so out of the ordinary that people have to stop and just stare at you, and they ask these questions like, who are you? What do you do? Are you an influencer? How much protein do you take a day to look like that? And, you know, if you're a bit of an introverted person, you're going to find out real quick that you're going to have to be a little bit of an extrovert, okay? Because people are going to ask you questions and they want to know who you are. And that's awesome, even if you are an introvert, because it helps you get out of your shell a little bit. And you'll meet people that you would ordinarily never meet in your life, because if you didn't look like the way you did, then these people would just walk right by you. So that's something that you'll notice, and it's something I love. You know, who doesn't love getting a compliment, especially on your body that you work so hard for? You know, hey man, you're looking bigger today than you did a few days ago, man. What the heck? How you doing it? And it just kind of makes your whole day that much better. And it kind of runs the day, you know, when you get these compliments. Um, it's an amazing feeling, and I want you guys to be able to feel that too, which is why I'm making these videos. You know, I want to help you look like a bodybuilder, and I want you to know what these supplements are that I take, and I want you to just get a taste of what it's really like to reach your full potential. And, you know, bodybuilding, whatever you're doing in life, no matter where you are, it'll improve your life tenfold. Another thing I really love about looking good is you inspire people, man. You inspire a lot of people to start working out, and you know, you'll gain friends that you would never have in your life because you look like an average Joe, but now you look like a Greek god. So you make all these new friends, and you know, your family, your coworkers, your clients, man, they all notice, and your quality of life just goes up. It goes through the roof. Not only do you look good, you feel good, and you start, you know, putting together some outfits that look a little cleaner, look a little better, because you want to show off that muscle. You know, you want to wear a shirt that's a little bit more tight, and you know, that's how you can meet people that will be lifelong friends for you. Maybe you'll meet your spouse that way, and that's an amazing feeling, man. You gotta try it. Anyway, guys, I appreciate all of you for watching this short little video. I just wanted to give you a little drop of some motivation to help you keep going on your fitness journey. And until the next one, I appreciate all of you for subbing. I thank you all for watching.